got done milking, and we were able to finally get everything to fit. The cheese full, milk tank's overflowing, lots of milk. Filled up our buckets for calves to drink, filled up our buckets for ourselves to drink in the house. Now we're ready to go. Hopefully we can find a bigger tank. It's been about a week of overflowing this one. So we're down here in Dubuque, Iowa. We picked up a tank, a 1,000-gallon bulk tank. And we just stopped for lunch at Hardee's, and we're headed on back to Wisconsin. So we got our bulk tank home, and we're gonna install it tomorrow morning. So we're cutting some of the piping out, but we're gonna put a big hole in the front of this milk house. And it's kind of busted some boards anyway, so we're gonna try to replace that and put it in this way, but we got to move some plumbing on the inside. So this is what it looks on the inside. So we got to take all this stuff out of here and remove this piping so that we can fit through here. And we're gonna actually end up putting the door on in this corner over here. So we got the tank set in. Got the hole open. The old tank out. Okay, so we got the new bulk tank in. We got the plastic board behind it's a little bit dirty. We gotta get that cleaned off. So this is what it looks like now. You can see we still got a bunch of stuff sitting around we gotta get cleaned up, but we got the tank in. The new one sticks out the front of the bar, or the milk house now. We could have fit it inside, but there wouldn't have been any room in there whatsoever. So now there's actually some room in there. But anyway, the new tank is in, and it's working really well. We actually got a little bit more room in the milk house now. We got some more work to do to get the sink in, but the bulk tank's working, and we're still got room in it, so that's kind of nice. So before it was full, obviously, with the old tank. Now we've got a little bit of room. The cows are up on milk a little bit. So anyway, it's all working out. We're pretty happy with it. The tank itself was $1,500, and then we had $1,000, a little over that, in hooking up the lines, and then another $800 in taking the wall out and putting it in. So all in all, that's what she costs. But anyway, we're not running over and we got room, so hopefully you're having a good day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button below. And if you want to see more videos like this come up in your feed, please subscribe to our channel. And if you want to find out when our next video comes out every week, hit that notification bell below, and that'll send you a notification when our next video comes out, which we try to send them out every week. Thanks a lot for learning more about our farm, and we sure appreciate it.